Welcome to the Brugge.
Good fucking morning, goddammit. Yeah.
Where are we right now?
We're in the queue to check in for our ferry ride across the seas to the great Calais. It's a shithole really, but yeah, so we're in Dover right now. The time is 6:59 AM. We woke up, I don't know, about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yep.
Thanks to you. I managed to sleep through 4 alarms, almost cost us the trip. So that's a good start. On our way to Germany to go visit the Nürburgring. We've got Tom in front of us in the M2. M2 competition, I think. We are just in my Lotus Emira.
Yep.
Absolutely pissing it down. Like in true English fashion. Last weekend of August, this is meant to be some of the best weather we'll ever get, and it was heavy torrential rain the whole way, but now it's kind of cleared up a little bit, so, you know, made for an interesting morning.
What the fuck is that? Is that fucking seagull on my roof?
Yeah. Yeah. He fancied your car more than mine. Yeah, that's it, Tom. Go and get him. Did he shit?
I've got a clue.
Oh, that is funny. That is funny.
Do you have drugs?
Drogas. Press that. Oh my lord, so high. Oh man, I'm gonna be able to do it.
Go on then. You can do it, son.
Yay! Yay!
Along with the fun and the fucking things they need to do. It's just constant work this fast.
Paintings later as well.
Yeah, it's a multi-purpose tool.
Exotique. Oh, like her. Yeah, you're not going to get the cooties to use a straw, right?
Exactly.
Are you going to have a drink? Are you a drink?
I'm gonna forget about it.
Thanks.
How did that breakfast work out for you, Tom?
It's delicious, mate. Always hit up the local spots.
Cheers, Dex.
Cheers, boys. How is it? It's genuinely delicious, isn't it?
Hey! Hey!
Malolja! No, you go.
So the time is 3:50. We are just leaving Brugge now. Just jumped in the Lotus. We had a lovely little time. Had a cheeky Brugge sop beer that always goes down nicely. Oh, just narrowly missed scraping there. Yeah, we're going to make our way on to Hummel, which is an area in Germany where we're staying. Oh, please let me out automatically. Yeah. Couple of quick things. It dawned on me about half an hour ago that we haven't laid any foundation or backstory or anything with what we're doing right now. Long story short, I'm out here with Tom and Dexter. They are currently in the M2, which is Tom's, and we're driving to the Nürburgring. So it'll be my first ever trip, and I'm crazy excited. If you don't know, I'm driving a 2024 Lotus Emira V6 with manual gearbox and the touring suspension setup. So we are on the Goodyear F1 asymmetric, I think, Super Sports, and we're doing a first proper road trip together. So right now we have the start of 4 hours and 10 minutes until we arrive in Hummel. Hummel is the area that we're staying. I think that's about half an hour, 35-40 minutes away from the ring. Why are we staying there and not just the Nürburgring itself? A couple of reasons really. The Nürburgring, staying in and around Nürburg, was just really expensive. And although there's just the three of us, didn't really feel like spending an insane amount of money on accommodation. So I was quite happy for us to drive a little bit further away, 40 minutes or so, enjoy a bit of that German countryside. I'll see you guys in a little while. One of my favorite things about owning this car is not the looks that it gets, it's the looks that people give when they see it. People don't see cars like these very often. It's just something really rewarding about the smiles that people have. And it's not really an experience I had before. Right, I don't know how many cars Lotus has sold, especially in Europe, but this area is stunning. And when you drive through little towns like where we just went through, I will find out where we went. You just don't see, people don't see cars like these. So the looks that they give it's really like joy inspiring. And it's just something that I find puts a smile on my face when it sees other people kind of happy. Oh. Woo! 70 miles an hour. Perfect. Anyway, as I was saying, because of the rareness of this car, which is something that I really like, just small British manufacturer, although they're doing a lot of mass market volume stuff now with their giant EVs that I think they're cool cars. I just don't think they follow the Lotus ethos, and so people aren't really jumping on board. And now the company's a little bit in trouble. Anyway, this road is stunning. Let me turn this around for you.
You hear me, Aaron?
on that drag race, didn't I?
You did. You did.
So, I mean, that's just maths, though, isn't it? I've got more torque down low than you do.
Yeah. And I was a fraction late on my foot, but even then I still think at rolling yours is going to be faster. Yeah. Okay, last little bit of journey now. We are 18 minutes away, 11 miles, and for anyone looking to do this, don't just think about taking the primary Autobahn way all the way around towards Cologne and then down the A1, because journey was amazing. The route, the roads, the scenery was just 100 times better than going a little bit faster on the Autobahn could offer. Like, cars like these aren't really designed for just a straight line hitting top speed anyway. Well, they are designed for that, but it's not where they're the most fun. So I want to make that very clear. The roads we went on are phenomenal, and there's a rainbow in front of me. The surroundings are just beautiful. So I will definitely be sharing the route that we have driven to get here, but in the meantime, I am going to continue driving the rest of the way and enjoying the scenery and the sunset, and I will let you know when we arrive in about 17 minutes. Alright, I did not let you know what happened when we arrived for a couple of reasons. It was very, very dark. It actually took about 2 hours to get there. When we did arrive, yours truly had typed in the wrong address, so I'll take that one on the chin. We're in the middle of the hills of Hummel. It's actually a very beautiful little kind of village. Kind of feels bigger than a village, smaller than a town, but it's pitch black, and we don't know how to get there. The Airbnb, the pin for the Airbnb, kind of took you to what looked like an abandoned field or a private area or something. After messaging the hosts on Airbnb app, they were very, very kind, and this was about 10 o'clock at night, nearly 11 o'clock at night, so they're very kind, super responsive, gave us nice clear directions of where to go, and eventually, after driving down what was easily a half-a-mile long private gravel track, which for potentially obvious reasons may not have been the most suitable driving experience for our sort of lowered sports cars. However, when we got there, the place was beautiful and the hosts were so nice and accommodating and super helpful. I just can't tell you how beautiful and stunning the place was. I saved all of the footage of that till the following morning, and you will see that in the next video. Stay tuned for part 2 of this trip, which will be coming out next week, which will feature, hopefully, some of the best and funniest moments of our full day at the Nürburgring. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed the video, and leave me any comments that you have. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. See ya.